Well, in today's video, we will be reviewing this tricky question from geometry. It's a bit, at first, it might sound a bit time consuming, but after you master some of the tricks and formulae that you can use in these kinds of questions, then it won't be a problem for you anymore. Well, back to the question. In the figure above, PQRS is a rectangle. As you can see here, PQRS is a full rectangle, and points P and Q lie on the graph of minus 2 multiplied by x to the power of second plus a. As you can see, this decreasing function is the function of uh, this, and points S are lie on the graph of this x to the power of second function where a is a constant. And what we can realize from here, this increasing function is the function of x to the power of second. And in the last part, it says if the area of the rectangle is 24, this is the important information that we will need. And the length of PQ is 4. And this is also important. What is the value of A? Well, if the area of the rectangle is 24, then what we can find from here is that the area of this rectangle can be found by multiplying these two variables, PQ multiplied by PS. As you know, PQ is equal to 4, and depending on this, automatically the length of PS is equal to 6. And if you carefully look at the graph, the things that you can realize from it are, first of all, this dot. As you know, it's located in the x to the power of second function, and this dot, if we follow this dot, if you follow this dot towards the x axis, it will go till the 2, and we can say that this is the 2. And to find the y-axis from here, we have to take 2 for this function, that is 2 to the power of second, and it's equal to 4. Well, the y-axis for this function is 4, and until this part, it's equal to 4. And as you know, PS is equal to 6. And if we add these two numbers from x-axis to Q or C, it will be 10. And we can signify this part as 10, and this is equal to 10. As you know, if we make this function, if we make this number to the till this dot, it will approach to the decreasing function, which is minus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied minus 2 multiplied by x to the power of second plus a. And what we can find from here is that everything is ready for us, because if we take 2 instead of x for this function, it will be equal to 10. And as you know, I wrote down, as you can see here, I wrote down everything that will be needed for us. I made this function equalize to the 10 by taking 2 instead of x. As you can see here, minus 2 multiplied by 4, which is the second, which is 2 to the power of second plus a is equal to 10. And if after making all the variables, all the same variables, move to the same part, A was identified to be 18. And if we look at the options, the only answer that matches with our answer is E, so that it is equal to 18, which is